guys. The guest for our channel here is actually Joffrey Baratheon. So everybody say hi to Joffrey. I know, big deal. Got a celebrity on the channel. He's a pretty good guy. But we still remember Ned Stark around here. Winter is coming. Alright, so I'm sorry for that corny little intro. A demo ranch type channel, I am not. But anyway, we did get a really cool training aid in here at the Hungry Handgunner. So let's show you guys what we're talking about here. So give me just a second, I'll turn the screen around so I can actually see. So this is what we got. This is from rubberdummies.com. So he is just a rubber silhouette basically. So you can see there, I shot him 4 times, so nothing too crazy, but there's actually, can't really even see the holes, so it just blisters that paint off of there. And this is actually the starter kit, so it comes with some primer and some other goodies, the stand and everything. So why would you go to something like this? Get both of us in there. What's up, Joffrey? Hate you. Anyway, so going with something like this as a training aid, I'm not good at this selfie stuff. Anyway, you got a 3D target, so you get, it's just different than shooting a paper or cardboard for defensive training. Kind of drives home the reality of what you're doing with self-defense. So yeah, let's shoot it a little bit more. That's what it's here for. So yeah, to touch up those little black holes, just take some spray primer and you spray over it. Here. Alright, so there he is. Now, I have very minimal medical training, but I'm going to make him all better. That's right. There we go. It's like the gift that keeps on giving. Alright, so one of the neat things, I'm at 5 yards from the dummy right now. So yeah, it's pretty close, but it's, I don't know. I'm going to back it up more later on, but I kind of wanted you guys to be able to see this, and I only brought one camera out today. But you can't really safely do this with steel. Now, before somebody argues with me, I'm sure you can do it, but I wouldn't want to. I mean, you got fragments coming back at you. That's never a good time. But with the training aid, I mean, you can work on all sorts of stuff. You could even get in close and work on contact distance, grappling, whatever you want to do. He's not going to ricochet. So let's shoot him some more. I mean, it is Joffrey. He was kind of a dick, you know. I mean, Ned Stark, the way he treated Sansa. Anyway, his name's Joffrey. Pretty cool. So I like it. I think it'll be good, especially if you're teaching a new shooter for the purpose of self-defense. Once you get past some basic fundamentals for accuracy and stuff, yeah, it's he kind of got shot in the face, but pretty neat. So yeah, and I think the cool thing is, I mean, it's just a barely little dimple. Show you guys the back. So, there. Actually, the only spot I'm really seeing a whole lot of damage is right in there. I say a whole lot. You're supposed to use full metal jackets when you shoot this, for obvious reasons. Hollow points are going to do what they're supposed to do, probably, and expand. And nobody wants that. I mean, that's going to take chunks of rubber out. So, pretty neat. There's guys online that have these. They put thousands and thousands of rounds through them. I'll work on the selfie angle, guys. I am so sorry. But put thousands of rounds to them and they're still holding up just fine. So yeah, let's hit them with some primer and shoot them again. Alright, so one of the other things that came with the starter kit, in addition to the primer and the stand and the actual dummy himself, is these little kill shot packs. So I'm guessing some sort of just powder that, I don't know. There's a little cavity, as you guys can see from the back of it, in the head area and down the torso. So I put a couple up. I'm not sure where they're at, but we'll see what we get out of it. So I'm probably going back in. It's kind of cold out here. All right, here we go. Okay. Did you see a little red cloud? I don't know if you could. I saw something faint. Shot him in the corner of his mouth, but anyway. Ah, there it went. Kind of cool. Let's we'll finish this mag off. This is a great training aid. So yeah, I'm going to put a link in the description to check out rubberdummies.com. Even if you don't want to use stuff like this, that's cool. But as I was saying, as a training aid, to have the ability to shoot at a three-dimensional target, so if you wanted to, come from the side and work on your angles, however technical you want to get with it, you could. It's also safer to shoot at 4, 5, 6 yards. Contact distance, whatever. It's safer than using a steel target, and it's more, it brings an element of realism to your training that paper or cardboard just can't match. So the fact that you can just hit it with some primer and reset it, pretty darn cool. I'm definitely excited to incorporate this into my training and hopefully get some other people trained up using it. It just kind of illustrates what we're actually doing. You can lose sight of the fact that you're training for self-defense when you're shooting at paper and things like that. So, yeah, this is Joffrey. He's going to be on the channel quite a bit, so we're going to make him pay. If you haven't watched Game of Thrones, you might want to. So, all right, guys, as always, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Keep shooting. See you later.